Today I would like to teach you how to do a decrease using thermo crochet. You have to do that over 2 rows to complete the decrease, but it's not as hard as you might think. So let's get started. I'm using here the single crochet stitch, but this technique also works for half double crochet, etc. Any crochet stitch that uses the thermo crochet technique, and that is where you're going into half a row at a time. So you're working half a row on one side and half a row on the other side. So like a zigzag in this direction, okay, in this dimension. So that's what we're going to do. We're doing decreases today. If you've never done thermo crochet, make sure you watch my videos first on how to do that. And I also have a video on how to do increases. So let's get started. So in order to do decreases for the thermo crochet stitch, I have here 4 stitches left. So we're going to decrease these stitches. So 2 at a time. And as I said, I'm using the single crochet, but you can work with this for any stitch as well. So you're going to insert your hook into one stitch. And now you're going to also do that with the other. Remember, you're always going below. So you're using the back loop and the leftover loop from the previous row. So you're inserting it like this. Okay, so you're leaving a leftover loop behind. Now that I have 2 loops pulled up from both stitches, as you can see right here, I'm going to do the decrease. Now we're going to do that one more time, but keep in mind we're not finished with the decrease here. We have to do one more step on the other side. So here again, I inserted into 2 stitches, 1 each, pulled up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and that is again for the single crochet. Now chain 1 and turn. I like to turn this way a little bit because it's easier for me to see. So here's now what you need to do. You have to be aware that there is 2 loops down here and there's 1 loop up here, 2 loops here, 1 loop here. Okay, so the best way to do it is just skip one of them. So you pick which one. You can also combine these together, you know, like the invisible way, but it can be a little tricky. So what I like to do is just skipping one of them. So yarn over and pull through like so, and I'm going to skip one of this in these 2 stitches. So remember, that's one of the leftover loops. We only have 1 up here and there was 2 down here. So yarn over and pull through 1. Now over here is 1 more decrease. So I'm going to insert it. I like to go through the first one, yarn over, pull through, and then finish it up. So now when you finish up the row, what you're going to see is that there's 1 extra loop that was skipped, but that you just have to ignore. But on the other side, it looks normal and regular. So that way, when you come back around, you can see that these 2 loops match up now, so you can continue on. So that is how you can do a decrease using thermo crochet. It is done over 2 rows, and you're going to skip 1 stitch each to make your life easier. I hope this video was helpful on how to do a decrease using thermo crochet. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a new video or go live. I'll see you then. Bye!